Ascential MLS's mission is really to provide full turnkey service on the full product life cycle to our customers and partners. When companies are launching new products, the most important thing they can do to accelerate their revenue is work with a partner that allows them to get to market quicker in a more efficient and effective manner. At Ascential, we're able to get our partners and our customers to market quicker by working with them in all phases of the product development life cycle. How does automation play a role in the development and scaling of life science products? It plays a very important role because generally life science products have two parts to them. There's devices or instrumentation, and then there's also the consumable aspect of that. When you do early engineering, scaled manufacturing of those devices, you have the opportunity to build those devices manually. When you're talking consumables that are usually the razor blades with those products, you need to introduce automation in order for those consumables to be cost effective for the customers. And if you can make those consumables cost effective, then you have a device and a consumable combination that not only is clinically efficacious, but also is financially an advantage for our partners to be able to bring to the market. We have 40 years of experience of working in all facets and all phases of life science development, scaled manufacturing, and automation. We can bring our experience to life science companies in all phases of the life cycle to help them get to market quicker, scale quicker, get to their customer quicker, and be able to be more successful. There are several examples where Ascential has worked with our partners in order to help develop a product that's been able to scale and help save lives. In several of those instances, our R&D and engineering group has worked with our partner customers to develop the product from just a glint in the eye of the founders of that company and helped apply the experience and the methods that we bring to the party from a life science or medical device perspective and allow to apply that to help those customers realize their dream of developing their product into a real product that goes to market. Ascential is one of the few companies that has the scale to be able to work with customers all over the world from phase 0 to scaled manufacturing into the market, but at the same time is agile enough and small enough to pay attention and work directly with customers on a day-to-day basis. Our goals for Ascential for the next 3 to 5 years is to become the go-to design engineering, scaled manufacturing, and automation partners of companies that are willing to change and wanting to change the world with their products coming to market.